preparing for this impeachment, I would, and my colleagues, no, my co-prosecutors, we would watch clips, we would watch videos of past impeachment, no. But what to me was very significant were the senators. The senators, you had their Joker Arroyo, Miriam, Neni Pimentel, who else? Angara, Drilon, etc. The biggies, no?
Wow.
And you could see the quality,
Yes,
of the Senate, the high-level discussions.
That's right.
There, no? So, to me, it was a very interesting learning experience, even for me, to see how senators could really could be value added. Kasi kung public official ka at wala ka namang value added sa bayan natin, umutang ka pa. Ikaw pa yung umutang, hindi ba? Hindi yung ikaw yung nagbibigay.
That's right.
We should rethink. We should rethink. And in a show like this is an opportunity for people to really consider what are the things that matter, no?
Right.
What are the things that matter? You elect public officials, they represent you, you pay them. We really need to rethink, because to me, impeachment, how many impeachments have we had, no? Are we gonna have another one? And another one, and another one? And
That's
what does that say?
That's right.
That says that we haven't changed.
In the last how many years, ano?
Yeah, because we blame our politicians, and I think that's wrong. We should blame ourselves, because we were the ones that put them in office. Di ba?